Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. We're doing a little quick video today. It's more of a midnight snack, late night snack. You can make this for dinner, for lunch, anytime you want. It's just smash burgers. They're super easy. Get yourself some 80-20 ground beef, and you roll them up into meatballs. Put them in a hot cast iron pan, smash them down. They get a nice crust on them. Flip them over once, and then you're gonna be adding some cheese and whatever toppings you feel. And it's great, man. It's one of my all-time go-tos. My wife loves them. My family loves them. It's just a staple in my household. What I'm doing right now is I'm just making a burger sauce. So I took I don't know how many pickles, but maybe like half a cup, 3/4 of a cup. I'm a big fan of pickles. And what I did was I just dried them off to get some of the excess vinegar off, and then I diced them up. And right now I'm just building my sauce. So I got 3 tablespoons of kewpie mayo. I'm going to throw in 1 tablespoon of spicy brown mustard, followed by about 2 teaspoons worth of sriracha, depending on how hot you want it. And now I'm not putting in any ketchup to this because I am a big fan of ketchup. And I just want to have that on my burger as well, but like as a separate condiment. Salt and pepper to taste. I felt this just needed a little bit of pepper. And now we're just going to move on to slicing up this ground beef. I cut it in half, and then in half again, and then right down the middle to get 8 nice slices out of this like 1 pound. It's like 1.2 pounds, 1.25 pounds, pound and a quarter, whatever you want to call it. And then I just roll them up into balls, and then I'm going to get my cast iron pan scorching hot. Also, don't forget to toast your buns up. I got some just regular ass Martin's potato rolls. I'm going to get those into the toaster oven, get them nice and golden brown. And the one thing that I always recommend whenever cooking smash burgers, like especially if it's 80-20, like yes, they do have a lot of fat, but you do want to grease the pan just a little bit with some neutral oil just because of the high smoke point. So basically, like the only technique that you really need for this is you just need to know how to make a ball out of some ground beef, but also you need 2 spatulas, and you need to press down on them very firmly after you season the meatballs in the pan. And what this is going to do is it's going to create just a completely flat surface to the bottom of the pan, and you're going to get a really nice crust. And these only cook for about 1.5 minutes to 1 minute and 45 seconds aside. They take absolutely no time to be done. And you really don't need any seasoning on these, especially if you have a decent blend of ground beef. Just salt and pepper. So what I'm doing now is I got my my Martin's potato rolls that are toasted up, and I'm just adding my patty sauce onto them. And I'm going to put ketchup on the top of that. And then once those burgers are ready to be flipped, we're going to throw some cheese on them and steam the cheese so that it just melts down a little bit quicker. Alright guys, just to give you a little bit of context as to what's been going on lately, I had to take a little bit of a break from social media, especially my Instagram. I don't know if you guys follow me. It's at Chef Jeff Huebner. I really wasn't posting anything or doing much of anything, especially with the channel. Like this was my last video that I recorded before I got sick with COVID-19. So I mean, I had to take about 2 weeks off just to recuperate and kind of get back into the swing of things. And I am feeling a lot better now, so more content is going to be coming in the the coming weeks and so on and so forth. But I need you guys to really help me out and just give me ideas on what I can do and what you would want to see, what you're trying to learn, or just anything that you're interested in. Anything and everything is appreciated. Like share this with your friends, your family. Just give it a repost, something. Any little bit helps. I'm not making any money off of this, and that's not the goal, but I would just love the exposure and the ability to get my name out there and maybe just influence somebody to start doing something that they really want to do. But yeah, I mean that's really it. I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoy the content, and I hope you stick around and see what's to come in the coming weeks. Thank you so much. Enjoy.